All right, so our next problem, y equals x plus 4. All right, we're going to start filling out this section together. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit here. All right, so again, my value of m is going to be my coefficient of x. I don't see anything there, so I know there's a 1. My value of b is what's being added, and that's a 4. Okay, so m is 1, b is 4. Now we're going to head over to our graphing calculator. Oops. I'll have the drawings back in just a minute. We're going to head to our graphing calculator, and I'm going to enter in y equals x plus 4. I'm going to create my line here. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit so we get a bit of a better view. Okay. And then head back to our drawing here. Oops. I take that back. Sorry, guys. Wasn't cooperating. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to take this graph and let me adjust my two screens here so that we can see everything at once. Perfect. And then I'll rewrite on this page in just a second once I get everything set here. All right, there we go. Okay, so now I've got my graphing calculator on the left and my example on the right. So let's head back over to the drawing tablet here. And we had the m is 4, m is 1, b is 4. So let's take a look at the graph at this point. And what we want to do is I want to take my graph over here on the left and I'm going to transfer it to my coordinate plane on the right. Okay. So a couple key points that we want to notice. If you remember, there's going to be asking us for an x and y intercept. So at this point, we might as well find those, because if we can find those, it'll help us graph it. It gives us 2 points to follow. So I have an x and a y intercept. So my x-intercept is where it crosses the x-axis. Y-intercept is where it crosses the y-axis. So I'm going to go ahead and write down those two ordered pairs. My y-intercept would be 0, 4, and my x-intercept is going to be negative 4, 0. Okay, and then we're going to plot those points. So over 0, up 4 is my first point, and then back 4, up 0 is my next point. And then we're going to go ahead and connect those two lines. Okay, I'm going to do that just a little bit thinner. Hold on, let me try that again. There we go. Okay, and then I will connect those two lines to create my graph. And that's it. That's all you have to do. All you have to do is identify the m and the b. Oops. Identify your m and your b. Take this equation and enter into graphing calculator. Okay. Get your x and y intercepts and then graph them. And that's it. You'll go through, you'll do a few more examples, you'll start noticing a few things, and then you have a bunch of questions to answer, and that's it.